Bobbi! Bobbi! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. If you are here from Melanin Kit Kat's channel, welcome. This is a very special collab with my girl, Melanin Kit Kat. Yes, honey. I am in love with her. I think we all in love with Melanin Kit Kat, but I was encouraged to start my YouTube channel, believe it or not, because of a video that this girl did. I'm gonna leave a link below to that video, and she basically just said start, like get some backdrop, get this, get that, and start. But I sent her a DM and I'm like, girl, you encouraged me, and ever since then she has been super supportive, y'all. Like ever since BeautyW Cat, this girl is growing rapidly. She is quadrupling like rabbits, and to see her success happen right in front of my face, I feel so humbled and honored to be a part of this collab, because she is really very humble. She's very down to earth, and that's why I love her. She has such a great, amazing spirit, and just to see her progression and her growth really is like making me happy. So Melanin, I love you, girl. Thanks so much for this collab. Let's get into this unit and let's talk about her. All right guys. Woo! Bobbi! Bobbi! I'm so shocked that Melanin actually agreed to do this collab with me, because I'm crazy, y'all. I am crazy, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna give you a slay, and that's why you're here. So if you clicked on that thumbnail, Harmony, you look up Harmony, she does not look like this. Guys, I originally started filming this video a couple days ago or a week ago, and I really had to come back to this unit because me and Harmony were not friends. Harmony was not in sync with the group. Harmony was not harmonizing with the rest of the crew. Harmony and Vivi Chalk was about to make me give up. I was over it. But I said, you know what? I really love Bobbi Boss, and I want to give this unit a chance. Alright, so Miss Harmony and Miss Vivi Chalk were not in sync with each other, y'all. They were doing their own thing off on the side, and they were not in sync with the group. So I had to blend them together and get them in sync. So this unit is your Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace HD wig. I have reviewed this. I'll leave a link to my Mabel up here, and I knew what I was going in with this unit. It says it's a 13 by 7 lace frontal HD, and it says HD lace, but I already knew based on Mabel that I had to put some work into this unit. So I'll actually just leave some clips of kind of me filming before right here as I'm talking of the process. So you go in with this lace. It's very white. We know that. But if not, if you're new to the game, it's okay. This lace is very white. You need to customize it to your skin. There's no doubt about it. You cannot just put this lace on your head. But the thing that I'm liking, that I'm finding about these laces is that, yes, it is light, but you can basically add to it to customize it to your skin tone. So it's not too dark where you it doesn't blend well, or you know, so you can kind of build it up. It's like foundation, like you build up your foundation to get to what you want. I secured this unit originally. I was going in with that wavy look. I was doing everything I knew I needed to do with this unit. But y'all, when I say that I was gonna give up, I was gonna give up, y'all. I was done. I was over it. I was done. Look at this. Like, why is she looking all like I had her for 2 weeks already? Like, I had her for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Why she acting up like this? But everybody needs a second chance. So Miss Harmony's style is this bob. As you see, it's a bob, but she comes like with these waves. And at first I was like, okay, Miss Harmony, you cute, you looking nice. But what I found is it was very hard for me to pull my fingers through. And I'm like, yo, what is going on? I didn't know if it was the fibers of these colors. I didn't know if it was, you know, what was going on. If it was the texture of the whole wig or just the texture of the fibers in the actual color. So it kind of had me like, I really was over the wig. I really felt like I was done with the wig. I did not want to review her anymore because when I started brushing her out, it just was starting to get really tangly and really frayed. And I was like, why is she looking like this, you know? See, like, look at that. Look at that. This look like I've been storing this wig in my drawer for a long time. So I talked to my sister cousin, one of my YouTube baes, and Miss Rashon. She's also reviewed a Bobbi Boss Vivi chalk unit. I'll leave a link below so you guys can kind of get a feel of what I'm talking about when it comes to the color of this Vivi chalk. And she kind of mentioned the same thing. And I'm talking to her and I'm like, yo, this wig is really frustrating. It's like the wig is beautiful. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, but is it the fibers? What is it that's making this unit unable to comb your fingers through? And she mentioned to me that she had the same issue with her Olivia unit. I think it was Olivia or London. Like I said, I'll leave a link below. She mentioned to me that she ran some heat through it. And I was like, you know what, that's a good idea because these units, you can run heat through them up to like 400 degrees. So that's where I did this. So guys, I started off going in with my little brush blow dryer and I just went ahead and brushed her out. Then I tried to go ahead and try to use my heat and iron. I did so much with this unit, y'all, but I really wanted to give you guys a really good review because I didn't want to give up. So I went in with my hot iron and I went in and I smoothed her out, and then I was trying to add some curls. That wasn't working. So I know y'all probably think I'm crazy because this is a synthetic unit and it's like, just give up, just throw it away. But this unit has potential. It absolutely has potential. And my point is, I'm trying to show you guys that sometimes you have to make the unit work for you. And that's what I did for me. I really was not going to give up on this unit because it makes no sense that this unit is costing so much, but yet you get one wear out of her. And guys, look at this. Like, she is really silky now. She's flowing now. She's making me happy now. Like, I am really glowing with this. So initially I was gonna bump her and add some curls to it, but what I found with this synthetic unit is that those curls don't really stay. You can't add curls the way we think we could add curls. I think we could just add heat to it, and that's okay. So I just basically turned her into this straight unit, y'all. And look at her. See, this is why we need to give people second chances in life. This is why we're not supposed to give up on people, because sometimes people just need a different angle. They just need a different view. And y'all, when I say I'm happy, I am really, really happy. So Bobbi Boss, I always like their units. I like their texture. I like their feel. It doesn't feel plasticky. The texture feels really good. So I found that going in with the heat and just kind of straightening it out, it really changed like the texture of the wig. Then you can part her, guys. Parting her like this way. And I like switching it up because this Vivi chalk is so pretty, guys. Like, this color is so gorgeous that I really did not want to give up on this wig. Look at this color. Y'all can't tell me this color is not like popping. This color, look at that. Look at that. So depending on the way you part this unit, I notice how the colors kind of pop out. And that's what I really liked about the unit. So I said I gotta give her a second chance. So yes, this is an HD lace. And I did have to go in with my spray. I also did go in with a little bit of my bronzer powder to kind of bronze it to kind of darken this up a little bit. And I also did go in with some Freeze Blast spray and hold her down. I feel like that really melts it in. And once you just kind of melt that lace in, she looks really good, y'all. She really looks like your scalp. So you can do so much with this unit. She's really cute. I really want to get other Bobbi Boss HD units, y'all. At first, like I said, I was gonna give up and I was done, but finding that I can basically transform my unit and still hold her and she's not getting frayed, she's not getting tangled, I'm really happy with this. I also did go in and cut her down. I'll show you guys right here. I did kind of cut her down and I did kind of thin out these ends because she didn't come like this originally, y'all. So it was very blunt in the ends, so I wanted to kind of thin it out so it had more of a kind of nice transition into the edges. And I also went in and I kind of cut her a little bit angled, but she was already angled, so that's what I did. I found that it worked, guys. She's cute. I'm happy with Miss Harmony. She's finally agreeing with the rest of the team. Miss BB Chalk finally decided to get her act together in 2020, and she's a winner, y'all. Like, I'm so happy that I went ahead and put my heart necklace on, y'all. That's how much I love this unit, because I'm in love. All right, y'all, that's enough talking. You guys get the drift. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think about this transformation. Make sure you hit up my girl Melanin Kit Kat. I will leave a link below. And if you like videos like this, don't be afraid to join the family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Turn it all the way up so you know when I upload, and we can go ahead and talk about more units like this, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.